Hey guys, in this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on Kobold AI, how you can set it up and use. Alright, so let's begin. Kobold AI is a wonderful tool that can help you with creating stories, or you can use it as a chatbot, or you can use it as an alternative to OpenAI. Setting up Kobold AI is super easy and free. We are going to use Google Colab for installing Kobold AI. Before we start the installation process, open the article by following this link here, which provides all the detailed information to install and set up. We are going to follow this same tutorial. Let us navigate to Google Colab by clicking the link from the site. Once the Kobold AI Google Colab page is loaded, click and play the audio button. This is recommended to prevent the server from timeout errors. There are a variety of language models available. With Kobold, you can choose the model as per your need. You can use the official UI, or you can change the version to United for the latest UI. Now click the play button to start the installation of Kobold AI. You can provide permission to access your Google Drive so that all your personalized settings will stay within your drive. It will take some time to download all the necessary libraries to set up Kobold AI and generate the link. Once the installation process is completed, Colab will provide the link to access Kobold. I open the link in the new tab and you can visit your Kobold AI webpage. Now we can start to chat with the AI and it will reply as per the model we have selected. You can edit the messages by clicking the Allow Editing option. Kobold has a lot of options to change the settings to get our desired results. You can try it yourself and leave us comments. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you next time. Thanks.